Hi! We are the Dani.
Yes, we are the Danis.
This is Fairuz.
This is Antira.
Yeah. We are friends. Okay, today we're gonna tell you more about us.
Okay, the Danis created on the 27th November 2012.
Where we didn't plan actually to post a video on YouTube.
Out of sudden come out from our mind.
Yeah. And we're friends from primary school.
Since we are 7.
Yeah. And then, yeah, I hope you like our video and subscribe.
We tried to post more videos with new songs.
Yeah.
And we tried to compose a new song for our new band.
Yeah. And then, I really hope you guys support us. Yeah. Because we post fun.
I wondered either we want to put the name Danis Licious for our fan or Danisian for our fan.
Yeah. She thinks far.
Very far.
And I really hope that you guys like our videos and then, yeah, click. Okay, bye. If you like our videos,
subscribe.
Yeah. And the second video we're gonna do is up now.
Bye.
Bye.